So I picked up this 3-in-1 combination test that tests for COVID-19, flu A, and flu B. And I want to show you how easy it is to get results in your own house without having to go sit in a doctor's office. So it does come with everything you need to complete the test. You have your stick that you will be putting your sample on to give you your results. You have a swab and you have a control solution. So super, super simple. You just take the swab and you spin it 5 times against the edges of each nostril. So 5 times each nostril. And it's that simple, very painless to collect the sample. So the next thing you're going to want to do is just open the solution. You're going to want to take your swab, stick it down in the solution, and spin it around 6 times to make sure that your swab and the solution get mixed up real well together. And then you're just going to let this sit for a minute. And so after a minute is passed, what you want to do is you want to kind of squeeze the tube together as you pull the swab out. So you kind of pinch the swab and squeeze any excess off your swab. Now you are done with this and can discard it. You do want to make sure that you hold this upright not to spill anything. There is a little cap on that came with the thing. You want to insert that into the top so it becomes a little squeezy tube. And then on your test right here where it says 8 and drops, you just want to take this and drop 8 droplets of your solution onto this test. And that is it. You are going to let this sit for 15 minutes and then come back and read the results. All right, so it has been 15 minutes and you can see there's the control line. So the test has come out on both sides, the flu side and the COVID side, as being processed correctly. However, there is no line on the flu or the COVID, which means that is good news for me. So not only are these tests quick, easy, and painless, they are shelf stable up to 18 months or a year and a half. So they're great just to have on hand throughout the season. So if you're looking for a test, I can highly recommend giving this one a try.